Use the method of substitution to solve the system of linear equations. How many solutions are there? Is the system consistent or inconsistent? So for part A, we have the equations x plus 3y equals 5 and 3x minus 2y equals 4. To use the method of substitution, I would say we would solve for x in terms of y in this equation. Subtract 3y from both sides, and we get the equation x equals 5 minus 3y. We now substitute that expression in for x. So what we have is 3 times 5 minus 3y, then minus 2y equals 4. Distribute the 3 inside the parentheses. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9, so we have minus 9y. We still have the minus 2y equals 4. Since the y's are on the left side, let's subtract 15 from both sides. When we do this, we will also be able to combine the like terms negative 9y minus 2y. Negative 9 minus 2y, or negative 9y minus 2y is negative 11y, and that equals 4 minus 15, which is negative 11. We would now divide by the coefficient of y, which is negative 11, on both sides. Here they cancel down to 1, and we have y is equal to negative 11 divided by negative 11, which is 1. We now substitute that value, y equals 1, into this equation, x equals 5 minus 3y. And the y is 1, so that's 5 minus 3, which is 2. That gives us that the solution is 2, 1. We have one solution. And therefore, this system is considered to be consistent, since it does have at least one solution. For part B, we have the equations negative x plus 1/2 y equals 12 and 2x minus y equals 4. Let's solve the second equation for y in terms of x. We subtract 2x from each side. We have negative y equals 4 minus 2x. Multiplying both sides by negative 1, we get y equals 2x minus 4. We now take that expression and substitute it in for y in the first equation. That result is negative x plus 1/2 of 2x minus 4, and that equals 12. We need to distribute the 1/2 into the parentheses. So the negative x remains. 1/2 of 2 is 1, so that's plus 1x. 1/2 of 4 is 2, so that's minus 2, and that equals 12. Look what happens. Negative x plus x combine to 0, and we get negative 2 equals 12, which of course is false, or what we sometimes refer to as a contradiction. When that occurs, that means that there's no solution. Therefore, the number of solutions, we would say, is 0. Since there is no solution, we consider the system to be inconsistent.